Listen, we are making my favorite iced coffee, a turtle macchiato, and I want to help y'all save some money. The economy is a little crazy outside, so I want you to keep that $8, $9 in your pocket. We are on a family trip, family vacation, and I love to bless my family with my special latte. So I'm gonna bless you and save you some money. So let's do it real quick. First, you wanna make sure you have your clear cup for the aesthetics. We got cedar coffee, right? And we're gonna line the cup with a little chocolate drizzle. Everybody say drizzle.
Drizzle.
Yes, yes. And a little caramel drizzle, okay? I have several to make, but I'm gonna show y'all how to make this one. Now, my new favorite thing is this Nescafé Intense Espresso. This is a small cup, so I'm not gonna do what I would normally do in a little cup. So I have 2 teaspoons here, right? And I am going to add just a little water. And y'all can see my water level, right? Right here. And we're gonna stir. I don't have my frother with me because I'm traveling, but you know, I don't have all my gadgets, but we're gonna make it work, okay? Just a little stir, right? And we're gonna hit it with a little bit of moaning vanilla, just a little splash of vanilla, which I love. It's gonna give it the boost, the flavor that it needs, a little more of a stir, okay? Then we're gonna get our ice over the espresso. That's too big of a piece. How many of y'all like lattes? I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all see these ingredients, y'all need to get these ingredients, all right? I'm gonna hit it with some lactate-free milk because I don't know your dairy situation, okay? Milk might not be too kind to you, okay? So we're gonna hit it with a little milk, okay? Then we're gonna hit it with our caramel macchiato Starbucks creamer, a splash, okay? Just a splash. It's gonna give it the smoothness, the creaminess that it needs, okay? And then we're gonna do a little stir, right? And where's my whip? We're gonna hit it with a little whip, okay? Get it out the way so y'all can see. Right, bam, right there, okay? And then, just a little cinnamon. You gotta make it pretty. It's gotta be cute too, y'all, okay? And then we're gonna hit it with a little more drizzle over the top. I'm telling you, I have just blessed you. You can thank me later. I just saved you $10. Now $10 for however many times that you would typically go to the coffee shop. Bam, there you go. DG McGee signing off. Here go all the ingredients right here. We gotta get a little straw, okay? And matter of fact, put everything out here so y'all can see. And I'm gonna taste my own. How about that? Because I don't even know. I think everybody else has already been blessed with that coffee. A little cinnamon here. And those are all the ingredients right there, sweet loves. That's it. Oh God, we thank you. Y'all have a blessing. Woo.
Uh-oh, big wish, big wish. Oh, time. Oh!
That's how you blow it out.
Blow it, girl.
Not for germs. We can't write. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! All right, you gotta slice it up. Slice it up.